Hello and welcome to Life with Miss D. Today is Sunday and I wanted a quick simple meal, and so I'm going to do roasted chicken, broccoli, and roasted red potatoes. So that is going to be my menu, something very healthy and simple and quick. And I'm doing this in the oven. Now if you want to, you can do this on the grill, but I'm going to just simply do it in the oven. So the chicken, I bought a whole fryer chicken and I cut it up in half, and I actually split that big chicken breast down the middle just so it could cook properly because it was so huge. But normally I don't cut the chicken breast, I leave it whole. And I just wanted to show you, and I put lots of olive oil. After I cleaned the chicken very good, I put olive oil. I did this off camera. I put olive oil and black pepper, garlic powder, some lemon pepper, and I like this Memphis style barbecue seasoning. So these are the seasonings that I put on the chicken, and you put whatever seasonings you want on it. I liberally put it on the both sides of the chicken. And also I'm gonna add some some rosemary. I have a little bit of rosemary left, and I love rosemary on my chicken. It's some dried herbs. I bought a rosemary plant, and when the plant died, I said I'm not gonna throw the plant away. I'm going to keep the rosemary, cut off the rosemary and put it on my chicken. So dried rosemary, just sprinkle. And it always makes it smell so good, and it tastes good with the rosemary. I'm also gonna put some rosemary on those potatoes too. So, and we're gonna have the oven set on 400 degrees. I think it's already preheating at 400 degrees because we're gonna roast this. And it needs to roast for probably about an hour and 15 minutes, hour and 20 minutes. It just depends on how fast your oven cooks, but probably about an hour and 15 minutes. We'll check it and see. So my oven is on 400. And so we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put it on the top rack. Let me sit this camera down. See if I can sit the camera down. All right, so the time is 3:01. Okay, so it's 3 o'clock. All right, I have my petite red potatoes, and I'm gonna wash those and slice those up and season those, put some olive oil and put it in the oven. And then my broccoli is frozen broccoli is in a pot. I'm gonna turn it on. Frozen broccoli doesn't take long. Put some water in this. I don't need that much. Let's see. That might be too much. Let me see. That's fine. Okay, so I got the water. I got it on medium heat. I'm gonna add some butter or margarine and season the broccoli. Put a lid on it and let it cook, and it won't take long. Broccoli doesn't take any time. This don't fit. Wait a minute. At the top. So we're gonna have a simple, quick Sunday dinner. Okay. So I have my bowl and just let these potatoes get clean. Wash them, and then we're gonna slice them up just half. I think I'm gonna slice them just in half, and then I'm going to, like I said, put olive oil and season them real good. Put them in the oven, let them bake. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, please. I need you to please make some comments if you enjoy the channel, if you like this content, please put a comment at the bottom of the, put a comment in the comment section. All right. You see a fly, if you see a fly in this kitchen, I'm going to kill it as soon as I catch it, because I've been out in the garden and I think he came right in from outside. So you're just gonna slice it just like that. And I think that dish is gonna be big enough. So I'm just gonna slice up these potatoes, okay? And you can slice them long way, sideways, whichever way is easiest, but I'm just gonna, and I'm trying to do it with one hand. So let me put the camera down and get this done. Let's see if you can see what I'm doing. And I think my pan is large enough. I haven't done a cooking video in a while because I haven't really been doing that much cooking and trying to eat light, healthy, eat salads. And it's so hot, you don't want to be in the kitchen. But I don't want to put the meat on the grill today. But it's a beautiful day outside today. It's a perfect day to put some meat on the grill, but I'm just going to do this quickly in the oven. Okay? So let me finish cutting up all the potatoes. You can see the potatoes. Let me get them all cut up and I'll be right back. Okay, I have all my potatoes are sliced. And so what I do now for my roasted new potatoes or red potatoes, I put in olive oil. And you just want to drizzle, enough to kind of cover the bottom and make sure all the potatoes get oil on it. And you get your spoon and kind of stir it around. We want all the potatoes to have the olive oil. You can use avocado oil. And the purpose of putting the oil on the chicken and the potatoes, you don't want it to be dry. And you want it to have some flavor and retain some moisture. So that's why you want to put that olive oil on there. Okay, so we have some black pepper that I'm going to put on there. And just liberally put it on the potatoes. We don't want bland potatoes. I'm going to use some Tony Chicharra, so it's going to have a little spice kick, a little bit. You can use regular salt if you want to use regular salt. I'm going to put a little garlic powder. And you can cut up some fresh garlic as well. I do have some fresh garlic in there. I guess I'll put a little bit of fresh garlic in there as well. It's not going to hurt. You can also cut up some onions. I guess I could take that extra step and do that. Let me stop being lazy. Okay, here's some rosemary. And you see that fly? I think that fly is on camera. I may have to get my fly swatter. I'm telling you, I'm gonna get this fly. It's a fly in here. Don't you just hate? I love spring and summer, but I don't like those flies. Get away from here, fly. Because I don't want a fly on my food. All right, so we got I'm gonna go ahead and cut up a little onion and a little bit of fresh garlic and throw that in here. And we're gonna stir it again and make sure we got enough olive oil on it. And then we'll put it in the oven on 400 right with the chicken. And the potatoes probably will be ready in about 40 minutes. It needs to be fork tender. Maybe an hour. And I should have probably put both of them in the oven at the same time, but I think the chicken takes a little bit longer than the potatoes. Okay, here's some garlic. And so I'm gonna cut up this garlic and I'm going to cut up some onion, and we'll put a little bit of that in there. You don't have to put the fresh garlic and onion in there. You don't have to, but I got it, so I might as well. You can also use the garlic in the jar. I have some of that as well, but it's not gonna hurt anything. hope you can see me. I'm trying to chop up the garlic and chop up the onion, so. All right. Okay, so I have my garlic and my onion. And I've turned my camera around. I forget I got that little screen where I can see what I'm doing better. I don't know why I'm making this harder than what it has to be today. But anyway, if you want something easy, this is really an easy meal. Now my husband loves mashed potatoes. I just don't feel like mashing potatoes and all that. We're gonna do roasted new potatoes today. It's gonna be okay. And these are gonna be some flavorful potatoes. And we're doing the broccoli. I like to have a green vegetable. You could also add a salad with the meal as well. But I saw these new potatoes in the grocery store at Kroger, and so I said, let me grab a bag of these, and that might be something different. I hadn't had new potatoes in a while, roasted new potatoes in a while. All right, so we are gonna put these in the oven. The oven is set at 400 already because the chicken is in there. And I'll put the roasted potatoes on the side. Let's see. See if you can see the oven. Yeah. Okay, well, you know what? Let me put a little bit more olive oil and make sure I got enough. And stir it one more time. Yeah, it's good. It's good. Make sure I put a little bit more black pepper. I like black pepper. Sprinkle a little bit more garlic powder on there. A little bit more of this. All right. And I just put it in uncovered. You could cover it. I put it in there uncovered, or even you can cover it with foil and then take it off so it'll get more brown. But normally I just put it in there uncovered. It's okay. So let's see, do I have room in this oven? I got the chicken. I might have to put let me go ahead and cover it with foil, because I think I'm gonna have to put this, let me add a little water. I'm gonna add a little water to the bottom of it as well, because I think I'm gonna have to put that on that bottom shelf, because I don't have room. I don't have room to put the potatoes on the upper shelf. So let me get some foil. Foil. Where's the foil? Okay. And actually the foil will help it steam and cook probably faster, but I do need to take the foil off so it'll brown. But for now, this will work. Okay. All right. And we'll be back. Oh, yeah, let me let you see the broccoli. Okay, that broccoli's doing good. I don't want to overcook my broccoli. I'm going to turn it off. I don't want to overcook it. A lot of times I will buy the rotisserie chickens from Sam's Club that's already cooked, or either I'll run in Walmart or Kroger and pick up a rotisserie chicken that's already cooked. But I said I can just do my own. Okay, let's check on our chicken. It's 4 o'clock, so let me pull it out and check on it. Oh yeah, it's done. It's done. Look at all those juices in that chicken. I opened that one. I split that breast down the middle because it was huge, and so yeah, it's done. I don't want to overcook it, but it is done. I told you my oven cooks pretty fast. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, so here is the chicken, and let me check on these potatoes, and I'm gonna need to put these potatoes back in there. Ooh, that steam coming from them. Hot. Yeah, those potatoes are looking good, but I'm gonna put them back in the oven because I want them to brown a little bit more and put them on the top shelf uncovered and let them cook for maybe another 10 minutes. And dinner will be served. So I'm gonna put it back in the oven, uncovered. And you see, it still has moisture at the bottom. I may add just a little bit more water, just a tad, not much, because I don't want boiled potatoes, I want roasted. So I just don't want just a tablespoon or two of water to make sure everything's okay on the bottom. Okay, so I just put like a tablespoon of water. Alright, so we're gonna let that cook some more in the oven for another about 10 minutes. Okay, I just took the roasted potatoes out of the oven and they're done. And they're gonna be delicious. So again, we have our roasted chicken. And we have our roasted potatoes. And we have our broccoli. And so I also put a couple of Sister Schubert rolls in the oven. And that will be dinner. You could also put a salad with this, which would be fantastic. I'm not sure if I'm going to do a salad or not, but that would be a great addition. And if you like green beans, you can add some green beans for another green vegetable. Or some squash would be good as well. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching Life with Miss D. I know you can serve all this up on a nice pretty platter and put it in serving bowls, but I'm not gonna eat right now, but just wanted to show you Sunday dinner. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Try this dish at home, this meal, and let me know what you think. Have a good day. Be blessed.